Hey gang, welcome to this HOC Restorations crossover video. It's been a while since we did one of these, but it's getting around to be that holiday season again. And of course, there's a little holiday crafts that people want back and forth. And we had someone come and ask for a Christmas tree tray. And this is going to take two pieces of board. One is going to be in the shape of the Christmas tree itself. Then we're going to outline the second one, and then we're going to lay them on top of each other, and it's going to create the perfect tray for putting in, candies and things like that for the Christmas holiday. Now I'm going to do this in the top board being pine, but the bottom board being oak, so that we get that contrast in colors. And then once we put on the that tongue oil to make it shine, it's gonna be a beautiful piece. So, you guys ready for this HOC Restorations crossover? Let's get to it. All right, I think this Christmas tree tray came out great. I love the contrast between the oak wood and the pine wood. We coated everything down in mineral oil, which brings out the natural beauty of the wood. It's actually a little deeper than I thought it was going to be, so this is going to allow it to hold a lot more candy for such a small size. And I think it's a good centerpiece, a good talking piece for any Christmas party. Someone's going to ask you where you got it from. Trust me, this is a really pretty piece. And with all that said, we'd like to thank you for watching this crossover episode of Hooked on Christmas and Restorations. We hope that you like what you've seen, and if you did, hit that subscribe button. Help out the channel. It costs you nothing, but helps us out a lot, as well as hit the like button. And don't forget to leave a comment. Let us know how you like this project or any project that you would like to see us do in the future. And with all that said, for my Restorations family, we'll see you next time on the next journey. And for my HOC family, as always, 'tis the season. Peace.